Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to learn a very beautiful and easy law of attraction technique. And what is this technique? This technique is called 1111. Yes, 1111, some people call it as divine number, repeat numbers, angel number. So, what exactly happens is when your thoughts are becoming reality, you start seeing this repeat numbers everywhere. Like it could be just like on your WhatsApp, on your watch, or you're looking at a car number plate, or like you're looking at the clock also. You will see this repeat numbers everywhere. So whenever you see these numbers, the indication is whatever you're thinking, it's coming to reality. Or another way you can say is whatever you're doing right now, maybe you're working on an exam, you're working on a big project, or you're thinking about something new, something creative. So you just need to tell yourself, and maybe that time you have some doubt in your mind. So you have to tell yourself that whatever you're doing is right, because it's universe is giving you the signal you are right, showing you those repeat numbers. So now the angel numbers, they're different angel numbers, and their context is different, their meanings are different, but we will not go into so much of complications. We just want to make it very simple, and we want to learn it from the perspective of law of attraction and manifestation. So before we go there, for those who don't know me, I'm Coach Geeta. I'm your law of attraction coach. And I'm so excited to share my 30 plus years experience and learnings on Coach Geeta 360 platform, where you get 365 days of coaching to experience 360-degree transformation. So let's just start understanding what is this 1111. So to begin, like just think of it. Whenever we in our life also want to do something big, like a marriage, okay, or buying a car, or buying a home, or maybe when you buy home, you do like a Muhurat puja. So we find out a Muhurat. We actually go and find out a auspicious day and an auspicious time. And suppose you don't believe in auspicious day and auspicious time, most of us we do it though. But if not, then also you look for a lucky day, or maybe your birthday month, maybe your birthday day, or maybe your kid's birthday, maybe your husband's or spouse birthday, something like that, where you feel that, or your marriage anniversary date, some days during the year you feel they are more lucky for you. And in other words, like the auspicious day, and on top of it, like if you want to see all the nakshatra and graha alignment and all, so that is auspicious time also. So why we do that? Just think of it. Just think of it, like why we do, because we think that there is some kind of an energy, there is some kind of a magic which is happening that time. Okay, we may not think it as a magic, but we at least think that's the good time. So there are some good vibrations are there. So because of which, whatever the task or whatever the thing which we are doing, it's going to be more successful. We actually increase the probability of the success. And many times, like if you have that right timing, right uh, uh, day, like okay, it's like yes, this is almost done deal kind of a thing. And think of it, like you ask your parents, like think of like so many incidences in your own life. Have you seen the good day? Have you seen the good time? Or have you at least thought of a lucky day or lucky time to do a certain things? And that is just because of the vibration. So when we are thinking about law of attraction and manifestation, so it's law of energy, and energy has frequency. And when the frequency matches, attraction happens. So when universe is vibrating at a very, very auspicious and very, very high frequency, is this time 1111, or this repeat number of 111, 1111. For me, I would say that even I see 101, even I see 111, or 101, 111 number. 11:11 of course is there, like 11:11 a.m., 11:11 p.m. is there. And so those are the times which, if I'm thinking something, some doubt is there, I would 100% feel like, okay, what I'm doing right now is right. And I'm going to share the secret with you towards the end, like what exactly and how exactly can be done, and very fast, and it actually gives magnificent results. And you will be sharing those results with me when you implement it. Okay, everything has to get implemented, without that is not possible. So now you understood, like the way we find a day and a time to do something big, exactly same way the universe is vibrating at this high frequency. So why not to take advantage of that frequency for our manifestation, for making our goals to achieve faster, easier and faster. Okay, so what law of attraction is not something like you just do like some magic wand or something and something start happening. It's not like that. We need different kinds of frequency. We need also, we have to think about it, we have to feel it, we have to believe it, also we have to act on it. Without that, things don't happen. But what law of attraction does it? If you're going to have any kind of a roadblocks or like kind of a challenges, 100% those challenges gets reduced a lot, or sometimes they just get vanished like from nowhere. You start finding resources, all those magical things. If you are aware, then things starts happening. So how we do this 11:11 technique? So first of all, like there are two ways to do it. So I'm going to tell you both the ways. The first way is the writing way. So how do we do it? So today is 11 February actually. So 11 February in the morning, 11:11, or night 11:11, just before 11:11, put an alarm 5 minutes before or 3 minutes before, so that you can align yourself. You can be in one place. And once you're in one place, like you can get a diary or just like a simple notebook where you're going to write only one goal. Okay. So I always say, write your one goal in this year 2023. That one goal, if it achieved, most of your problems are going to solve. Maybe you can pick up that goal, or you have a kind of a current challenge which you want to resolve. It's a short term goal, it's not like a long term, it's like next 90 days or next 180 days kind of a goal, and you want to really achieve that. For example, you're looking for a job right now, you don't have job, and you want to manifest a job. Yes, that can be achieved. So like you can have that as your goal. But how do you write a goal? You need to write a goal as if you have to say you have already got that job. Okay, you are so happy, your team is cooperative, your boss is cooperative, like as if everything is done. But when you're writing it, you cannot write a paragraph, because you're going to write it 11 times. So make it short and sweet with some gratitude, like, thank you so much, thank you universe, or thank you God for this job. Like, I have already got the job, I'm so happy and satisfied at my job. So you can just write just one line or two lines, so that you can repeat that line 11 times. And you start from today and you do this for 11 days. Okay. So sometimes what happens, sometimes you're not able to write at exactly that time 11. Pick the time 11:11, because the universe is vibrating at the very high frequency. If someday it misses, then see, usually they say do it 11 days straight, but it's life, something happens. I feel that even you miss it, just ignore that day, but complete 11 days. Okay. So don't start from day one again. So you have done 5 days and 6 days, there is like some problem or some challenge, but you skipped it. So do rest of the days. Okay. Count those first 5 days. So that is very easy to do. So that way, what will happen is like you're writing your goal, and before that particular time, you will be like you'll be calm, grounded. You are not in the desperation, like, you let it go. Like once you write it, you are going to let it go. So be that kind of energy, okay, where you are going to automatically attract all these things to you. You keep your frequency high, okay. So that's what is going to make all your manifestation faster. You will start feeling good and all. So the writing technique which I told is like you put an alarm 5 minutes before, 3 minutes before, 11:11. Okay, once a day is good. 2 times a day is like writing. 2 times is maybe a lot of work, but it's your choice. At least do it one time. So also put an alarm at 11:11. Two alarms. So when the alarm happens, you're going to take two, three, 2 or 3 deep breaths, and then you're going to align yourself. You will have your notebook ready, you'll have your pen ready, and when your alarm goes, like, then you can just say, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, for everything. I like to say this affirmation: I'm so happy and satisfied with everything I have right now. So I always start with that. I'm happy and satisfied. I'm so happy and satisfied with everything I have right now. So just see like how you feel that. And then you start, you go, okay, I have already got this job. I'm so happy and satisfied. Thank you, universe. Or have already saved whatever X amount of money, and that is already in the bank. Thank you so much, universe. Or thank you so much. Present tense, okay? Don't say it will happen. So I have whatever, if you have any relationship challenges already, like it is like we're getting along so good. Thank you, universe. So you can just say that, because see, always keep the end result in mind. Okay, so like that you can do, and write it 11 times for 11 days. Okay, so this is your writing technique. Now the second is just you visualize and see. Okay, so for me, even not tomorrow, today, like I say, 11 February, but even I have an alarm for 11:11. I have an alarm from like 1:11. I have an alarm at 3:33. Like just like these are the some pointers during the day when universe is anyway vibrating at the high frequency. I take advantage of those and I do my manifestation as a visualization. So I just have like one thing or two things, like just I say that time, I close my eyes before just a minute, like I align myself. But right now I'm good in alignment, so my alarm is directly at 11:11. So I take a pause very quickly, I get into high frequency, I smile, and I just do my manifestation. I just say, like, hands on the heart, and I quickly say it. Sometimes if I'm just alone and I can say it loudly, I say, because when you say loudly, the word also has energy. So just say it loudly and you feel good, like, and also like in the day, you are going through the day, and like you sometimes your emotions are different, but with this alarm your emotions also, they come together, because now you get into the frequency of like manifestation, and you're imagining and visualizing a end result. So this is, for me, is this is the secret, like, like having the alarm, having the visualization. So I'm not even writing anything, I just visualize it with smile, and with almost like everything is done. So you always have to feel and think and believe it's done. Okay, so actions which are happening, like you're taking inspired actions and you're getting all the resources, things are coming from everywhere, which are, and you will think later, oh my god, how this happened. Okay, so that's what it's going to be your reaction towards the end. So that's what is the 11:11 technique. You got it? Is it easy? Today's 11. Do you promise to start this 11:11 technique today? So, do you at least know one thing which you want to achieve? So, whatever that thing you have it, just say it's already done. So, already, whatever the end result you want, just say that. Okay, so that's going to be your affirmation. And if you want to learn more on affirmations and how to make your affirmations, actually on our weekend masterclass, I share 11 secrets so that you can achieve your goals with 10x speeds, okay, in all areas of your life. So if you want to register for that, the link will be there in the description, and you will get the Zoom link for the masterclass. Okay, so I'm saying it because if you want to get clarification on that, so do that. You want to become the part of my community, it's like a WhatsApp group. There is no charge to join that community. You will get all the updates anytime I'm doing any free events or anything. You will get invitation over there, so just be the part of like-minded people. I would just love to welcome you all there. With that, I'm just ending this video for today and leaving you with the thought, today is 11th, so don't miss out. 11, 11, 11. Time is 11:11. That time you can start night 11:11 or day 11:11. And then how many days? 11 days. How many times you'll write? 11 times. And when you're visualizing, you just have alarms. Like for this also, for writing also, you have alarms so that you don't miss it. And always be little bit aware from now on. If are you getting these repeat numbers, you're seeing, like you're seeing here and there, do you see this repeat number? Means something right is happening, something good is happening. So always think your thoughts, keep those as creative, positive, because universe doesn't understand if you're having negative thoughts also, maybe those also manifesting if you're looking at like these repeat numbers. So just be cautious, have those your goals, something which you're doing, want to do this year. The year is just started, so don't even worry. You have time to achieve all your goals, and just think that it's already achieved, so what's a big deal? Okay, so go with that frequency, live with that frequency. Just have a great day and a great night, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.